Natural disaster, any calamitous occurrence generated by the effects of natural, rather than human-driven, phenomena that produces great loss of human life or destruction of the natural environment, private property, or public infrastructure. A natural disaster may be caused by weather and climate events or by earthquakes, landslides, and other occurrences that originate at Earth's surface or within the planet itself. No spot on Earth is immune from a natural disaster, however. Certain types of disasters are often limited to weather and climate. Driven natural disasters include flooding caused by heavy rains associated with hurricanes and typhoons, tropical cyclones, and other intense storms, drought, famine, and wildfires brought on by heat waves and shifts in precipitation patterns, wind-generated devastation caused by tropical cyclones, tornadoes, derechos, and other windstorms, and damage and loss of life caused by blizzards and heavy snowfalls. Earth-driven natural disasters include large volcanic eruptions which produce lava flows, explosions, toxic gas clouds, ash falls, and pyroclastic flows that damage populated areas, and strong earthquakes, which result from the sudden fracturing of Earth's crust powerful enough to damage or destroy built-up areas near their origin points. Some phenomena that produce natural disasters may be caused by a combination of several different forces. For example, landslides, the movement of large masses of rock, debris, and soil downslope may be caused by rains that saturate the soil on an unstable slope, or they may be triggered by earthquakes. In a similar manner, the buildup of snow on mountain slopes increases the risks of localized avalanches. Tsunamis, catastrophic ocean waves that can rise as high as 30 meters, about 100 feet above normal sea level, are produced by submarine earthquakes, underwater or coastal landslides, volcanic eruptions, or meteor or comet impacts. The largest tsunamis are fast-moving waves that can travel across oceans to wreak havoc in coastal areas separated thousands of kilometers from one another.
Oh my God, Dayton. This is amazing.
Dayton watched it form right over there.
We called it, bro.
Where you look, it's still going.
Oh my God. Hey, let's get inside, huh?